with you it's never either or, cause nothing even matters no more. See, nothing, it don't matter. See, nothing even matters no more. Nothing even matters. Nothing even matters no more.
Welcome to the vlog. I am currently on my way to my hair appointment for my birthday. Woo! So yeah, I guess I just wanted to come on here and chat a little bit about like how I'm feeling about my birthday, like how I'm preparing. But yeah, today the plan is to get my hair done, get my nails done, and then that's it. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. This is the birthday vlog. What the fuck? Second birthday vlog in a row. If y'all was in the first one, drop a fucking sag emoji. That's the one with the arrow for people that don't know signs. But if you was here in the last birthday vlog, drop a sag emoji. Reflecting on this last year of my life, I definitely feel like I have been I feel like this was a buffer year, low-key. Like I feel like I just been kind of like wandering, like I just been a wandering spirit. Okay, you're just gonna be an asshole. Great, be an asshole. I could be a fucking asshole. Like you're not like, why are you rushing in traffic? You feel me? Like no one is going anywhere right now. Y'all like my nails? Oh my gosh. They look so good. Shout out Royal Nails by Sid. Like I just want to come back to this next year and like it be in a completely different headspace, like mentally, emotionally, financially, career-wise. Like I just really want a 180. So I'm hoping for that. I feel like I'm hoping like my fucking like frontal lobe, something is gonna like expand. We'll see. People be mad that you moving over like they don't see the car is double parked. But yeah, I'm ready for a shift, a good change. Like I feel like I'm always experiencing change, or not always, but like I feel like I experience a lot of change, but sometimes it's not good, and then it feels more like survival mode than actual fucking enjoyment of life. Don't piss me off. Right. Fuck, I scratched myself. So we're done. Thank God. 7:50. Hair's done. Toes done. See good. But yeah, I'm about to head home. I'm fucking like tired. It's so crazy how tired you get from sitting all day. You know, I don't know how you lazy bitches do it. I just can never feel comfortable in a nail salon. The supplies are just coming out of nowhere. They're just doing whatever. They always look super uncomfortable, like they haven't seen feet in their whole life. So yeah, that wasn't like the best experience with my life, but like I like what I got, so I can't complain. But yeah. Say hi to the vlog. Are you ready?
Cleaning up the shower.
Good morning,
Hello,
ma'am.
good morning. This can fit back there too? Okay, let's do it. Yeah, this is nice. We'll be in the one soon. But no,
Like it wasn't.
why? I'm in a very vulnerable.
Bow. 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 Bow.
That what? It's a nice picture.
Wonder, 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 wonder.
Where my name at? I've never had this experience before.
I'm so excited for you.
Thank you. Sorry, sir.
Oh, you thought it was just... No, I'm just kidding. No more.
Triple dipper?
They can't fit.
Nice. It's gorgeous. So gorgeous. Not about you.
Yeah.
Never was about you. Talk to man. I love when you.
Get back! You're swimming with the boats. Go on this side.
Daddy. Guys, she's gone. They took my girl. They took her. She's going to the islands with her book. That's crazy. Man said, I like your boobies. You want to get fucked up? Do you want to die today? Do you? Do you? First day in the Pacific Ocean. What's the recap? Ever in life.
In our lives.
I liked it. It was nice. It wasn't too cold. The current was strong though.
You should see what's on this side. Show them.
Mountains. Mountains. And look what's on this side. Mountains. You guys ride jet skis?
Yes.
Crazy. Never rode a jet ski before.
Drive.
Drive. Like put me in the driver's seat. So fun. I did get touched. I did get touched. But I did assert myself. And I said, no more rubbing.
Your hand.
He's like, why? I don't know you. No kiss? No kiss.
Come to this spot on the beach. Look who's around us. Just show the audience. Nobody.
Nobody else.
So I want you to use your imagination for the type of crowd that
Be attracted.
beautiful bodies attracted, and the responses to that.
It was vulgar. It was
Vulgar,
brave, bold,
abrasive.
very abrasive. It's fine. What can you do? But be a bad bitch, you know?
Yo, macho.
Oh, oh. Just don't even know. Oh my god. Y'all, if y'all ever see my edge flying in the wind this trip, don't say nothing. Don't say nothing.
Full of substance, full of substance. And to make things cold, you say for instance. Combine up your time, pussy for na kakia. Live long till you bend like banana. Combine up your time, pussy for na kakia. Live long till you bend like banana. And then
Isn't it? Isn't it? Your plate.
Yeah, my plate is ridiculous.
What are you making a toast to? Selena.
Selena.
Yeah.